In this video, we will explain how to set up automatic replies based on keywords. Typically, users leave comments below the post after configuring automatic replies. By connecting these comments to our Facebook Messenger, we enable the message to automatically appear as an auto reply. We have covered these processes in our previous tutorial videos. In this tutorial, we will explain what to do if a customer enters a keyword, such as test, in our messenger. When the customer enters this keyword, we want to generate an auto reply automatically. However, this situation is relatively uncommon. In most cases, when a customer leaves a message below the post, we directly connect them to our chatbot, instead of requiring them to enter keywords manually in our messenger. Nevertheless, there are a few exceptional cases, such as when a customer mentions a price. In this case, I want my messenger bot to detect the keyword price and generate a set of auto replies related to pricing. We can utilize the settings we are about to explain for this purpose. Another scenario where we may need to use keywords is for testing the automatic replies during the setup process. So, if I have made this setting, I can directly utilize the keyword testing feature to trigger the next set of auto replies and verify the content and settings. In the previous video, we explained how to use the Bot Flow Builder feature in the Bot Manager to create our reply flow. Within this flow, we have a feature called Trigger Keyword. We can drag it here and connect it to our flow. Once connected, we double-click and set the keyword in the blank space on the right. If we want to set multiple keywords, we can enter them separated by commas. If we want to add more keywords, we repeat the process by adding another comma and entering the keyword. After setting the keywords, I click Done and then click Save. Following that, I click the Fan Page button on the right to perform a test. I click Message and enter the keyword test, for example. Then, we will see the auto reply appear. So in this way we can check our reply flow. If we have used certain keywords for testing purposes, don't forget to delete them after testing. For example, the keyword test can be deleted because any user entering that keyword will trigger the entire reply. If you want to delete all keywords after testing, you can right-click here and select Delete All. This way, the flow will not be triggered by any keywords. If we want to use a keyword to trigger a specific post-back reply, such as the post-back reply in the middle of this flow, we can connect the keyword here with this post-back and enter the keyword. Then, we click Done and save it. After entering the keyword, the next set of post-back reply content, which includes 2 images, will be triggered. This refers to the reply content in the post-back section here. We want to emphasize that these keywords serve auxiliary purposes, because typically, when users see our posts, they leave comments like PM under our post. We automatically send them a message, and at this point, we use buttons to guide our users to learn more details. For example, when I click this button, we send the relevant details to our users. So, it's important to set up these buttons to guide our users, so that they can click and view the details directly without entering keyword manually. As for keywords like how much does it cost and how to buy, if we set them, they only serve as auxiliary purposes. If we have set keywords within a flow and we click the back button on the top right to return to the Bot Manager interface and click Bot Keyword Setting, we can see all the keywords we have listed here. If we click Action and then Edit Bot Reply, it will take us to the flow where we set the keyword. If we click Action and then Stop, we can disable the automatic reply for that keyword. For example, if I enter the keyword test here, it will stop the auto reply for that keyword. If I click Action and then Start again, the automatic reply will be activated when I enter keywords. So, this is how the keyword reply setting works. We'll see you in our next tutorial.